Let's turn that off. Let's turn the battery off. Leave it for a minute. Just going to pop out to the shop there. The bike's decided, it's been raining all day, it's cold. The bike's decided it's not going to start. So I've rolled it to the end of the road here. You take it down this hill, it's in second gear. I'm going to try and bump start it. Yeah, so clutch in. Let the bike get loads of momentum. I'm going to release the clutch, let a bit of throttle on, and hopefully not fast enough. Let's try again. This might not work. Right then, speed. Yes. Keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Perfect. Now, the mistake I made, folks, was, let's get it back down. The mistake I made was turning it over just once too often and not letting the battery recover. So I drained it almost fully down before I decided to try and bump start it. As you can see, I'm a little bit out of breath, but I also have the bike rolling. So when this happens, folks, it could be all range of reasons. It could be a battery issue, could be cold, could be wet, could be a combination of all of these things. But there's been a bit of frost overnight and it's been torrential rain here in Scotland, as I'm sure you can imagine. So the electrics and stuff are going to be a bit damp. For a good 20 minutes or so at least, you want to get the bike nice and warm. Yeah, give everything a chance to dry out. Nice busy revs, because you don't want it to cut out, especially when you come up to junctions and stuff. You want to give that alternator a chance to, you know, sort of recharge the battery, and, you know, before you go cutting out you end up in the same situation. Of course you can just roll it and bump it again, but again, why do that if you don't have to? It's like starting all over again, eh? I'm going to put fuel in this in a minute, but we're 20 minutes down. So the bike's nice and warm now. I've been running it for about 20 minutes. Ideally, of course, you want to run it a bit longer than that, but for the sake of science, get the fuel pump kick in. Let's just give it a little bit of choke, and there we go. Sorted, back to normal. Good old barn door engineering. Just a short one. I thought I'd take the opportunity to film it because the bike wasn't starting. Anyway, hopefully that was useful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.